Good morning on this rather cold Thursday morning. Everything is frosted over. First client of the day with his lovely Bmw Gs. Very nice condition. He's going to go with a full Montyvalet with the added half price ceramic. So we're going to do a full valet on this. See if we can do something with that exhaust. He wants all that cylinders all cleaned up. Got a bit of paint flaking off on this one, so we're going to dust that with a bit of black. Get some XCP corrosion protection on it. We're going to get these wheels all cleaned up, and then we're going to treat it to the Ultimax Signature Pro ceramic. So this bike will be properly protected for the winter and years ahead. Really good shape for a 30,000 miler. See if we can get this old wheel tape sticker stuff off. I hate when that stuff gets left behind. Get some XCP on all your banjo bolts, etc. So let's get cracking. It's a bit of a BMW kind of day. Cracking on with this GS. Looking pretty freaking sweet. Everything's been XCP'd, all washed, blow dried, XCP'd. We painted a few bits and pieces. Now we're cracking on with a bit of detailing. Junior's just wiping off the excess XCP. Then we're going to polish up these exhausts again. I'm doing a two-stage polish on this bodywork. See if we can do something to these screens. Look at that, it's heavily scratched up. Just done a stage on that windscreen, and then we'll get these put back on and we'll get the ceramic added. Oh, look at that, much better. Managed to remove both those scratches, give it a nice glossy finish. Now time to do some ceramic in. There you go, just under 3 hours. This BMW GS has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. Oh my God, this thing has come up immaculate. This is 30,000 miles. Absolutely immaculate. 2015 model. Snowfoam, safe wash, degreased, decontaminated. All those discs, I minted up all those discs, all the inside, everything's been thoroughly cleaned. All the pipes have been polished up, XCP'd everything afterwards. We painted a few bits that was coming off of the fins there. Everything's been XCP'd, extra XCP, all brushed on your banjo bolts. I even polished these up before I put the XCP on. All behind your headlight. We did a two-stage machine polish on the bodywork just to make sure to remove any imperfections. Took off your little cover there, polished all that up. Did the best I could with the windscreen. Unfortunately, it's got some heavy scratches on the inside, but it's nice and shiny now. We then treat it to the Ultimax Signature Pro on all the bodywork. We even did these wheels. We got off all the old sticky stuff from the wheel weights. They've all been ceramic afterwards. Absolutely immaculate. Customer is chuffed. I'm heading to the coast. Don't forget, we're open 7 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. Give us a buzz at 07966 249 963.